In today's comparison, we delve into the world of home fitness, putting the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill against the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, we aim to help you decide which treadmill might be the better fit for your home gym. When it comes to affordability, the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill edges ahead with a price tag of $299, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill's $369. Reviewers appreciate the Cursor for its value for money, highlighting its affordability without compromising on essential features. For those concerned about noise, the Cursor boasts a quiet brushless motor, making it ideal for users who prefer not to disturb their surroundings. Amazon reviewers particularly love its quiet operation, suitable for light jogging and walking. On the other hand, the Rhythm Fun's 2.5 HP motor supports heavier weights and is preferred for its power despite being noisier. Tech enthusiasts will find the Rhythm Fun appealing with its smartphone integration through the iPoo Fit app and additional features like a mount for phones or tablets. Cursor keeps it simple with a digital LED console and real-time heart rate monitoring, which users find sufficient for tracking workout stats. The Rhythm Fun offers a slightly more spacious running area, 41.7 x 15.7 inches, compared to the Cursor's 15.4 x 40.2 inches, which reviewers find comfortable for various activities from walking to jogging. This extra space is particularly appreciated by users looking for more room to move. In terms of convenience, the Rhythm Fun stands out for coming fully assembled and its easy folding mechanism, which is a hit among users with limited space. Cursor, however, wins the hearts of reviewers with its 5-year warranty and 24/7 support, emphasizing reliability. Overall, both treadmills have their merits. The Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill is praised for its affordability, quiet operation, and reliability, making it a great choice for budget-conscious and noise-sensitive users. The Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill, on the other hand, is lauded for its powerful motor, tech features, and convenience, appealing to those who prioritize technology integration and ease of use. That wraps up our comparison of the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill. We hope this has helped you in deciding which treadmill suits your needs better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description for more details. Happy shopping!